Hey guys, I want to show you what I'm going to fix today. I'm going to fix a chili, and this is what I had in my pantry. I have these dark red beans. I've got this ragu, a spaghetti sauce, but it's tomato, garlic, and onion. And I've got the diced tomatoes, which has garlic and onions, ground chuck, and the chili mild, this powder, the seasoning. So I'm going to put that in there. And also, I know if I add anything to it, I'll let you know. I might be adding some more seasoning. So we're going to start out with this. Okay, guys, I have the ground chuck. And you can see right there, that's how much grease, sorry about fogging up the camera here, but I've drained it off. And now I'm going to start adding the ingredients. I've added the chili, mild chili, the powder, McCormick's. I had a little bit of left in a mild one on the Publix, and I put that in there as well. The red kidney beans, the diced, and it's these tomatoes have the garlic and onion. And I had the ragu in my pantry, which is tomato, garlic, and onion. I added that to it. I did one little packet of Splenda. That, a lot of times sugar will bring the flavors out with the tomatoes, and I always love to do that. That was a little trick, a little thing that we always did in my mom's restaurant. So anyway, but she used sugar, but I used Splenda. So anyway, that's what we did. It's starting to simmer. I'm gonna let it simmer, and I'm gonna let this simmer for a couple hours, and we'll be back. Hey guys, we're finished with it. Absolutely delicious. We did not video it when we were eating it, but it was absolutely wonderful. What'd you think, Ron?
I loved it. Can't wait for it again.
Okay. Hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And enjoy this. Things out of your pantry. You can make things that you don't have to buy and just out of your pantry. Until tomorrow.